things off.
I'd like to thank all of the people you see here for taking the time to talk about their Pulsars and for giving you their opinions and advice. A special thanks to Greg Smith for inviting us to the Pulsar Fly-In and for his efforts to keep this fine group of flyers working together. My son Jack, who is considering a career in aviation, and I really enjoyed our 2 days in Lawrence, Kansas with the Pulsar people. Because of this opportunity, we have really taken a liking to this sleek, efficient kit plane. Maybe one of these days we'll show up in our own Pulsar. Until then, this is Brian Fitzgerald wishing you blue skies and tailwinds as we finish out with Ricky Thomason doing the honors.